Hello guys, welcome to complete Kotlin tutorial series for absolutely beginners. And in this video we are going to learn about optionals in Kotlin. So firstly, what is optionals? An optional is nothing but a variable or constant that can accept null. If you did not declare your variable or constant as optional, you cannot accept the value null. So if you try to accept null without optional, you will get a runtime error. So let's get started. So open your IntelliJ IDEA tool and write your main function. Let me comment optionals to avoid confusion. So let me create a constant val my placeholder. My placeholder is a name of my constant and it is a type of string. That means it only stores the values that are string. So now I have given the optional operator. So this is the optional operator, that means null operator. So let me give the null to it. So my placeholder assignment operator null. Let me print it by using this print statement my placeholder. Run the application, and in the console now you can see null. So what is this null? Null is nothing but nothing. Okay, nothing. So what happened if I did not give an optional operator? Val my value, and it is a type of integer value. So let me take integer value, and I did not want to give optional operator. My value is equals to null, and it says the compiler will not happy with you because the compiler says the non-null value is not a type of non-null type. Okay, so if I give the optional operator, the compiler will happy with you. So this is now optional in Kotlin. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.